is Parth and you're watching Infopel, and this is Sennheiser CX275S. Now you might be thinking why I am talking about a wired earphone in 2020. The main reason for that is in 2020 a lot of things has changed. Like we are not moving outside much, and as a result what's happening is we don't need to clear all the tangles of the wired earphones, and maybe because of that we don't need a Bluetooth headphone. And also the thing is a lot of us has to do work from home, and one of the requirement of work from home is taking calls. So a good wired earphone does give the flexibility of connecting to any device in a snap without getting into the fuss of pairing or connecting a Bluetooth device. For a wired earphone we can just plug and we can get started. Now Sennheiser is one of the most reputed brands in case of wired earphones. In fact all type of earphones, and especially in their budget range they are one of the best competitors. Like within $1,000, Sennheiser CX180 is one of my favorite headphones. So naturally Sennheiser CX275S is also a very good choice. And this earphone is not something new in the market. It has been in use for a long time and a lot of people are using it for more than 3 or 4 years. So obviously it raises the question whether Sennheiser CX275S is still good for the year 2020. We'll find out in this video. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So for any good earphone or headphone, there are 4 things which are really important. 1. The sound quality. 2. The comfort. 3. The convenience. And 4. The longevity. So we'll start from the last, the longevity. So the earphone casing is primarily made of plastic, but the good thing is the plastic quality is really good. The microphone casing is also made with plastic. The rubber wires looks finicky at first, but after a couple of days of use the stiffness goes away and then it feels solid, although it will not take much force to snap off. Now here is the thing, some of the people who are using this headphone regularly, they are using it for 3-4 years. So it kind of speaks about the build quality of this particular headphone. If you are still not confident, Sennheiser actually gives 2 years of warranty with this headphone, and they are well known for their customer service. Now coming to the convenience of this particular earphone, which is common with all the wired earphones, are basically you can just plug the 3.5mm jack to your computer or your phone and get started with. There is no complexity of pairing or connecting to a device. Additionally, it comes with a carrying pouch, so you can put it into that and then carry it along with you whenever you are on the move. Now this headphone also comes with a mic, and I think this is one of the best feature of this particular headphone. The mic quality is really good, especially the noise cancellation of this mic is very good. So even if you have fan running inside your room when you are speaking to someone else, or there is someone speaking in a fair distance, that noise will not be picked up by the microphone. So it's really good if you are taking this into a meeting or a Zoom call, or even when you are speaking on phone. Hey everyone, this is a mic test from Sennheiser CX275S. The fan is running in the background, the windows are open. Now I will move the microphone nearer to my mouth. And this is how it sounds when I bring the microphone closer to my mouth. Let me know in the comments how is the mic quality. The audio is completely unedited. The only con which makes this headphone inconvenient is probably the wire. They say the wire is anti-tangle, which is kind of accurate, but the main problem is because of the rubber material, the rubber wire actually sticks with each other so they don't slide over. So it is not easy to detangle them when you are in a rush. Now coming to the second most important parameter, the comfort. And I am really glad to say these earphones are really comfortable to wear for a long time. The ear tips are extremely comfortable and it does not pain your ear. The ear casing is really small, so it does not protrude outside your earlobes. So it is particularly helpful if you are laying down and watching some stuff. So you can turn to a particular side and still can enjoy the audio from this earphone. Even the weight of the earphone is really light. It is about 15 grams, and when you are wearing them you will hardly notice that you have put anything on. So I can give full marks for the comfort of this particular headphone. So if you are looking for a earphone which you can use for longer hours, then you can go for this one. Although the usage of in-ear earphone is not suggested for long hours, but that is not the point here. Now let's talk about the most important thing of any headphone, the sound quality. Now from technical aspect, this earphone has a frequency response from 17 to 23,000 Hz and impedance of 16 ohm. But in simple words, this earphone sounds great. The clarity of the earphone is really top notch. The sound signature also has a typical Sennheiser taste, but with a little boosted bass. And it is not like that bass is always present. It will be there when it is required. Like if there is any bass response in the audio, the bass will come there. And if the audio does not has any bass, then the bass response of this earphone will not infringe the treble. Now talking about the treble, the highs are also pretty clear and kind of forward, so it is little bit boosted, but not to a level that it is like a sharp needle to your ears, which is a kind of good realization coming from CX180. The mids are also okay, they are neither forward nor underexposed. Also, one of the things that has impressed me a lot about this headphone is the sound stage. The sound stage of this headphone is really good. You can actually feel the depth of the instruments, and because of the design of the ear piston, which is kind of straight, not angled, it does a good job isolating from the outside noise. In fact, if you are in a place where you need to hear the ambient noise, then this earphone is kind of dangerous because it completely blocks out the outside noise. So to conclude, should you buy Sennheiser CX275S in the year 2020? Absolutely yes. The sound quality, the build quality, the comfort, the mic quality, all of these are very good in this headphone. In fact, one of the best. Now the reasons because of which you might want to avoid this earphone is probably if you are looking into different categories like Bluetooth or over the ear, and if you are comparing in this category, the only thing it is lacking is probably the flat sound signature. So if you are an audiophile, then this is not something you should look for in this price range. There are other options available in this price range which can give you that. Anyway, if you want to grab this earphone, I will leave a link in the description so you can go there and purchase from that. Might help the channel. And also, if you are already using this earphone in 2020, you can give a shout out in the comments and share your experience. And if you are someone who is looking for this earphone and have any questions, also use the comment section. Anyway, until next time, this is Parth signing off from Infopel, and I'll see you in the next video.